In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a QuickBooks journal entry. Whether you're cleaning up your books or correcting an error, deleting a journal entry is a straightforward process. We'll walk through this step by step to ensure you can handle this task confidently. To get started, let's head over to QuickBooks Online. Make sure you're logged into your QuickBooks account. Once you're in, navigate to the Reports section. This area contains a wealth of insightful data about your finances. However, our focus today is on locating that specific journal entry you wish to delete. Once you're in the Report section, you'll need to proceed to the For My Accountant section. Now, this might seem like an additional step, but trust me, it's in this section that you'll find a detailed list of your journal entries. This setup makes it a breeze to pinpoint the exact entry you intend to remove. Within the For My Accountant section, go ahead and click on Journal. Doing this will bring up a comprehensive list of all your journal entries. Each entry is displayed with details, which makes it simple to identify the one you're looking for. Pay close attention to factors like the transaction type and the date, as these will ensure you're selecting the right entry. Now, once you've found the journal entry you want to delete, click on it to open it up. Having accessed the specific journal entry, direct your attention toward the bottom of your screen. Here, you'll spot a More button. Clicking this will reveal some additional options. Among these options is Delete. Click on Delete to start the process of removing the journal entry. QuickBooks is then going to prompt you to confirm your action. A pop-up box will appear asking, "Are you sure you want to delete this?" This step is crucial since deleting a journal entry is a permanent action that cannot be undone. So, it's important to be certain about this decision. If you're absolutely sure about deleting the entry, click Yes to confirm. And with that final action, you've successfully deleted a journal entry in QuickBooks. It's always a good practice to double-check your entries before hitting Delete. While this feature is quite helpful, remember that it's irreversible. Keeping accurate books is a key part of maintaining healthy financial management, so take your time to review before making changes. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos for more insights and tips on efficiently managing your QuickBooks account. We're here to help you keep your financial data well organized and hassle-free.